Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Olin Douglas, and I'm here today because I want to give you something that I call the ultimate credit repair sales script. This is the script that has generated my clients over seven figures in their business. Before I give you access to this ultimate credit repair sales script, I want to tell you the backstory of how it was created. Now, this is not something that I just made up one day and I hope that it will work. I spent actually over 5 years testing and perfecting the script for you guys. Now, this was happened. So, 5 years ago, I was hired as a VP of a seven-figure credit repair company, and I assumed that the reason that we were low on our sales is because the leads were garbage, they were trash. But as months went by, I noticed this one thing. I noticed the top producing people of the company talked to less leads, but they made majority of the sales, and that confused me. So as I began to listen to the top producing salesmen, I noticed that every three people they talked to, they would enroll two, and the price point was around $1,500 to enroll in the services, and their commission was about 40%. So they were going home with well over $10,000 a month. Now, one day I decided I asked one of the sales rep, how are you making so much money than anyone else with low quality leads? And he told me something that would forever change my life. He said, it's the right questions you ask, you'll never have to ask for the sale, they'll ask you. And that's when it hit me. It's not about what you say, it's about what you ask. So over the course of 5 years of helping 6, 7, and 8-figure credit repair businesses and listening over thousands of sales conversation, that's when I decided to create this script that tells you exactly what questions to ask, when to ask them, so that prospects basically beg you for the sale. Now, everything I could have give you to help you run a successful credit repair business, this is the one. This is better than anything I ever sold in the industry. This is the thing that's made credit repair businesses more money, and it's only $7. So the first thing you're going to get is access to the proven credit repair sales script, the same script that right now that my seven-figure credit repair clients are using to generate millions and millions of dollars every year. Now, secondly, you're going to get access to my private credit repair mastering and marketing group, where I get on live and walk you through the script, showing you exactly what to say, how to say it, and how it all works, and why you should be saying what you're saying. So you're going to get access to the whole thing, the script and the private group, just for $7. So I'm thinking to myself, what would stop you from buying this? I mean, what else could you buy for $7? Well, you probably can buy like a Happy Meal from McDonald's or a coffee with whipped cream from Starbucks. But that's not going to make you millions of dollars, and that's not going to help your credit business enroll new and better people. So I urge you to take advantage of this. All you have to do is click the link below and pay $7, and you're going to get immediate access to it, to me, to the script. That's it. I mean, I really hope that you use it, enjoy it, implement it, and this is the one thing that's going to transform your credit repair business forever. So click the link below.